The first step is, this is a completely clean machine. What I'm gonna do is download VS Code from visualstudio.com. It can be a Mac or Windows, it doesn't matter. We've got VS Code downloaded. Start. There are some optional steps to take. We can just tick them one by one. Mark done. The next step would be to install the plugin we're gonna need during the event. It's called Roo Code, like kangaroo. We can install it right away for free. Yeah, this is all the contributors and the datasheet. Doesn't matter now. We can create a new directory like event. We say trust, right? And we're gonna see the control panel of Roo Code here. But the main thing that we need to concentrate on is to set up the Requesty with an initial $1 free credit. We don't need to click this. It's very important. No, we are not going to Anthropic. We're gonna need to click Requesty and authorize Roo Code, and it will bring us back to VS Code, and we need to allow, and everything is set up for us. The API key is saved. We're gonna speak about API keys during the event. You can ignore it for now. So if you see this screen, you are ready to go. You can start your experimentation. Be careful not to use Copilot from Microsoft. We don't want to use it, so we're gonna close. And you will notice that all the Roo modes are set up for us. We're gonna speak about Spark. So Spark from the Agentics Foundation will be installed on your machine if you want. We're gonna help that, but you are ready to go even with the default Roo setting. If you don't want to work with VS Code, you can go to Cursor. You can go to the extensions the same way, the plugins, type Roo, and here you go. You can download it to Cursor and make it work the same way, or you can go to Windsurf and install it there. Here you go, and authorize again. So Windsurf is connected and you are ready to go in Windsurf or Cursor or VS Code. So you've got 3 options. The next one, if you don't want to do it locally, you sign up to GitHub. You go to repositories. You say, just give it a name. Make it public or private, it's up to you. And you've got an empty folder. And then the second step is create a code space. So you can do it locally or you do it in the cloud inside GitHub. So as you can see, it's loading VS Code, exactly the same process. We've got plugin or extensions. We install Roo Code the same way. You're gonna see the kangaroo icon. We go to the API keys, copy, go back to the cloud, to Codespaces, paste it in, and let's go. We are ready to go. I can start, switch to orchestrator and start prompting. That's all.